Eyebrows. They give your facial features shape, character and expressiveness. The trend clearly shows that everyone currently wants eyebrows on fleek, which means exactly shaped, filled and groomed. So how do you get your favorite shape in just the same way? Our beauty routine shows you how to do that with 3 simple steps. Start by brushing the brow up. Pluck the individual contours with the Remos eyebrow tweezer with slanted tip. It's important to attach close to the hair root and pluck the hair with quick movements in the direction of growth. The Remos splinter tweezer will give your shape the finishing touch. In order that you can reach the smallest hairs or even ingrown hairs perfectly. Et voila, you got the look! Whether you're at home or on journey, the stainless steel tweezers by Remos are long-lasting companions. Have fun with it!